How to make an outline in Cricut Design Space. Step 1. In Cricut Design Space, click on Text and type out a text. Step 2. With the text selected, click on Weld on the bottom right side of the screen. Step 3. Select the text, click on Offset, set the distance and click Apply. Step 4. Select the text, click on the Color Swatch button in the Operations section and change the color. Step 5. Drag the text away from the offset. Step 6. Select the offset layer, click on the Offset drop-down, set the distance to the exact distance you used for the first offset and click Apply. Step 7. With the first offset selected, click on the Color Swatch button in the Operations section and change the color. Step 8. Select the two offsets you created and click on Slice on the lower right side of the screen. Step 9. Pull apart the sliced results and delete them except for the outline. Step 10. Position the outline and place the original text on top of it. Step 11. Select them both, click on Align and select Center. Step 12. Change the color of the outline from the Operation section. Step 13. You've created an outline. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.